Today, I'm going to teach you how to verify a Docusign envelope ID. This is a crucial step when you need to track or reference a specific document in your Docusign account, making it easy to confirm document status or share details with others. First, open your web browser and navigate to docusign.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to sign into your account using your credentials. This will bring you to your main Docusign dashboard, where all your documents are managed. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top toolbar of the page. Here you'll find several navigation options, and you'll want to click on Agreements. This section houses all of your document activities, from drafts to completed envelopes, giving you a comprehensive view of everything you've sent or received. Once you're in the Agreements section, take a look at the left sidebar. You'll notice several filtering options displayed here, including Inbox, Sent, and Completed. These categories help you organize your documents based on their status. For the purpose of verifying an envelope ID, let's say you want to check a document you've already sent out. Go ahead and click on Sent. This will display all the envelopes you've sent to others for signing or review. Now, scan through the list of envelopes that appears and click on the specific envelope you want to verify. This action will open up the detailed view of that particular document, where you can see all the information associated with it, including recipient status, signing history, and other relevant details. Within this detailed view, navigate to the section labeled Envelope ID. This unique identifier is what Docusign uses to track and reference each individual envelope in the system. You'll see the envelope ID displayed clearly, typically as a long string of alphanumeric characters. If you need to use this ID elsewhere, perhaps to share it with a colleague or reference it in another system, you'll notice a convenient option right next to the ID itself. Simply click on Copy Envelope ID to Clipboard button. This instantly copies the ID to your clipboard, making it ready to paste wherever you need it without the risk of manual typing errors. And there you have it. You've successfully located and verified your Docusign envelope ID. This simple process ensures you can always track and reference your important documents with precision. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.